Welcome to JH. Today, we'll resolve the issue of Microsoft Edge launching several tabs simultaneously on Windows 11. If this glitch is bothering you, follow these instructions to restore your browser's functionality and enjoy a cleaner interface. Begin by resetting the browser's configuration. Open Microsoft Edge and click the three dots in the upper right corner to access Settings and More. Choose Settings, then navigate to Reset Settings. Select Restore settings to their default values and confirm by hitting the Reset button. This action reverts your startup and new tab pages, search engine, and pin tabs while temporarily disabling all extensions to eliminate problematic configurations. Next, adjust the startup behavior. While still in the Settings menu, go to the Start, Home, and New Tab Page section. Under the On Startup category, make sure to pick either Open the New Tab Page or Open Specific Pages. Avoid the option to open tabs from the previous session, as this often triggers the multiple tab problem. You should also deactivate the Startup Boost feature. Locate System and Performance within the menu, then click on System. Find the Startup Boost toggle and switch it off. Disabling this can prevent extra tabs from appearing when you launch the browser. Now, let's manage your add-ons. Enter the extensions area and inspect your installed tools. Turn off or delete any suspicious or unrecognized extensions, as these are frequently responsible for erratic browser behavior. Finally, check for malicious software by running a comprehensive scan with your antivirus program. You can also use a utility like CCleaner to wipe temporary files and fix registry issues, ensuring smooth performance. Following these steps will streamline your browsing and stop those unwanted tabs. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.